I can't bath sauce on something.
The mini towers.
Parking space available.
3 parking. Oh, God.
Oh, this dam itself.
That's the Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
Isn't it one of like the 7 wonders of the world? Like modern marvels?
It's modern marvel, but it's not one of the 7.
Those ladies with their little hats remind me of the people of Lilo and Stitch.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
She has pictures of.
I just remember GoldenEye.
Yeah.
This is where you jumped off.
1931.
Guys, I'm driving on Hoover Dam. Is he rich like me? Is he at Hoover Dam? This is insane.
This is.
So are you smoking on the Hoover Dam? Oh, this car's too low. Freaking lowrider. I know. I'm so used to the truck.
Yeah. Drink too much water.
Broski, wifeski. Up there, or how do we?
Up and down.
Do we go up and down, or is there like, or do we walk?
It looks like that stairway will take us right over there where we're going around that way. So we want to go this way. Is this recording, Andrew?
Still recording?
Yeah, it's still
I
recording.
didn't even know. So you probably got some right under my nose.
Got your
Trying to fix
side
my-
boob.
Thanks, babe.
What was that when they tried to blow up the Hoover Dam? What movie was that? You said Mission Impossible?
Was it Mission Impossible?
Can't remember.
I don't either. I just remember GoldenEye because he jumped off of it.
GoldenEye. Okay, that's nice.
But they wasn't blowing up. He jumped off in the beginning of the movie.
Oh, okay.
Remember he rappelled down or whatever.
Did he do that for real?
No, I think it was CGI.
They have you run down this wall, or just put it in the background.
But it was cool though.
It worked.
It's real pretty. It has like brass, like handles and stuff. Dude, it's deep down there.
Yeah.
Somebody's hat.
Somebody's
2
hats.
3 hats. A chair. Who the heck yeeted a chair over there? Or did it flow through the dam? No way, right?
No, there's no way. Someone had to eat that. Someone yeeted a chair over the dam.
Now I wish I had something.
No, you don't. Don't be that person. As you're walking and it moves, kind of throws you off. That's crazy. Who would have ever guessed I'm alone at the Hoover Dam?
Oh, I want to take y'all's picture.
Let's find that perfect shot.
Okay, y'all see when y'all.
I don't have Michael Flores with me though, so I don't know if we're gonna ever recreate
Dude.
the magic of family camp.
Oh God, what happened to family camp?
Yeah, it's only lady.
Okay.
Look how deep that thing goes. That's crazy. I wonder how many hats have been lost over there.
I feel like this is a good spot to take a picture. Is it rich?
Yeah. What time is it? Arizona time.
Peanut butter jelly time.
Hey, look at this photo. I look real light. I'm glad I have some skin showing off.
Boulder Canyon Project.
These are the most ornate doors.
No, I love them.
That's what you need to get when you get your house. Like, I want gold.
Yeah.
I want gold everything. Trinidad James style.
Yeah.
Toilets.
What's this? What's the look you're going for? Hoover Dam. Like, humans built this.
I know, right?
What are your thoughts on the Hoover Dam?
I think it's pretty. I like it,
Okay.
but I feel like I've seen like the Grand Canyon. I don't know, like I don't want to be disrespectful. I like it. I mean, it's not bad.
What you're saying is the Hoover Dam is mid.
Yeah, is that okay to say?
No, this was built by human hands.
I mean, I get that, and that does blow my mind, but
I feel like mid is not the word.
I don't.
Awe-inspiring.
It just doesn't like. I like the mountains behind it more than I like the dam. I don't know. Like I feel like I don't want to take nothing away from it. I appreciate it.
The power it provides for the state of Nevada.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that means nothing to her. The fact that many people can live in Las Vegas, it means nothing because it's not pretty.
I think. See, why did you even ask me? I didn't even want to say.
I thought you were going to something like
I
profound to
appreciate
say.
it.
That you're going to be like, well, this is amazing. It's a testament to God's beauty.
It's not though.
A testament to God's immaculate design
a
of
man's
human.
determination and ability, and I get it.
I think
I'm
it's
the
pretty
one
cool.
Who was like, we should stop by here.
Well, yeah, I'm glad we're here. Yeah, I'm glad. It's definitely it was something that I never thought I'd be part of, but
It's pretty. See, like I like it. I think it's cool. I like it.
good save, good save. I did. Not the slingshot. Tell by its inflated sense of self-worth.
Grand.
And we know we
Y'all
live.
want one?
We live in Little Finney. How do you feel about Arizona, babe? Is it not up to your standards?
I think it's negative.
Oh!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh!
This is reckless talking right there.
It is though.